channel. My name is Janvi Jain and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. So today's video is all about 10 different hairstyles. I have made like 5 hairstyles before on my IGTV and you all loved it so much, so I thought let's do it on YouTube too. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get, oh yeah, 1 second, you may be thinking, what is this? This is like I made it by myself. I am going to upload a video on how did I made this, and so let's get in the video. And dance. Hope you guys liked this video and liked all the hairstyle which I tried. I hope you all loved it. Oh guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I don't think so I have to tell you always to hit the bell icon for the next video update. Until then, ta-da! 10 different hairstyles.